movie Koshish is an excellent one. It's about a deaf and dumb couple, Sanjeev Kumar and Jaya Bachchan. Both of them cannot speak and even they cannot hear. Both of them accidentally meet in a marketplace, and both plan to get married. And now the real uh, fight happens because now they are about to increase the family. She's pregnant and she's expecting. And now, what will happen to the child? Their minds are in an imbroglio situation because they don't know what exactly will the child entail. And the tragic thing will be if he or she is dumb and deaf. But luckily, the child is absolutely normal. But one fateful night, what happened? They were asleep in deep slumber, and the child fell from the parapet, like one in whatever it was, just a sidewalk, and it died. The child just passed away. It left a tragic, it left an indelible mark on their psyche, but they didn't lose hope. Again, she got pregnant, and this time the child was normal and he grew up to be a handsome boy. But what happened? He was supposed to marry again a girl who was dumb and deaf. He was reluctant, being a normal person, wanted to marry a normal. Well, it was very natural, when you have all the organs functioning, you will not settle for someone who is dumb and deaf. But the dad got so sentimental, Sanjeev Kumar, that he forced him, emotionally blackmailed him, that your mom was also deaf and dumb, so why can't you marry a girl? And because of that, he was pushed into marriage, and he married. And actually, Sanjeev Kumar was working under that girl's dad. So the girl's dad was his boss. And Asrani has enacted the role quite well. You have always seen him in hilarious role, but in this role he is a negative character. He is the brother of Jaya Bachchan, who is totally useless. But and even mom has done a good job, Deena Pathak. She is the mother of Jaya Bachchan. So the movie is all about how they are able to communicate with each other. And then there's a blind fellow who became their friend. So everyone seemed to be handicapped. And the blind friend had come for their marriage. He's the same guy, Akhri Rasta, that cop, DIG, is the same. So the movie is a beautiful one. So just thank your stars, bottom line. Count your blessings before you actually curse your life. Because when your organs are functioning, all organs, you are the most lucky person.